Hello. Now let me trick alarm. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. Please wait. You will get SMS alarm notification. Now let me set a mute alarm. Hold the lock. No, it is a mute alarm without sound. Let us get the SMS notification.这个视频可能不能要的，是不是啊？ Click on now, you will get the SMS. Now you will get alarm notification by SMS. Illegal open door alarm, and then you will get a phone calling. Okay, this GPS mode call this mobile phone. This mobile phone is also right number. Okay, let me get it through. Listen, and the speaker. Hello, this is Jason. Hello. There is microphone inside this GPS module. Hello? Cut. Okay, successful. Okay, successful. Okay, successful. Thank you. Get it off. Okay. Now it's successful setting. Let me tell you how to set this feature. Firstly, you send this command to this SM card number. This SM card number is this one, 13798318410. This number you can change it by yourself. This is an example. In your country, you need to change it to your mobile phone number. Okay. Secondly, you send the alarm 3 to this SM card number. You will get this SMS feedback. After almost 10 seconds, you will get an alarm notification when you trigger alarm. Just like in ARM, you open the card illegally or shock alarm or push alarm and illegally start alarm. You will get alarm notification and then you will get a phone alarm. This is very easy to understand. Thank you. Bye bye.